Banda sada gangarate sa bando da dui sa nazatsa drugum over kori novi reaxilium da kakti kakjala kakoste danas moyavarachi seshri dobro doshli u serbi back with another Serbski reaction video, you know what I'm saying? Today we reacting to Cheeki, Breeki, you know what I'm saying? Hard bass music, you know what I'm saying? So with no further ado, let's get straight into this, you know what I'm saying, reaction video. This is Serbian Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying? We back with another episode, and this is, you know what I'm saying, my YouTube channel called The University Balkan Empire, and we react to music from all over the Balkans, you know what I'm saying? And no, this is not Yugoslavia or me trying to form the ex-Yugoslavia back, you know what I'm saying? It's about me and unifying, you know what I'm saying, my people through music. And I'm talking about all people, all walks of life, you know what I'm saying? So since there's so much, you know what I'm saying, discrimination in this world, you know what I'm saying, I choose to try to bring people together if they choose to. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to, that's on you. But anyway, let's get into this. Cheeki Breeki Hard Bass Serbian edition. Let's go. What the hell is he doing? What are they doing? Oh, how the hell that happened? Hey, they got cleaning supplies, dancing with broomsticks and the dustpans. Serbian soldiers. Hey, over yeah, you go, yeah, no. Cheeki Breeki. Cheeki Breeki. Oh, what the hell? That was retarded. Why did he just run into the wall like that? A half a slice of a car. You don't get the whole thing. You just get a half. You just get a half a slice. You know what I'm saying? Imagine one of your friends like, yo, let's go half on a car together, and you like, yeah, hell yeah, let's do it. You know what I'm saying? But the person will go pick up the car. You know what I'm saying? The other person got work, so they can't see the car until later. So they come with the car. You know what I'm saying? They pull up at you like this, and you like, what the bro, we went half on the car. Where's the other half of the car? And bro just pull up on you after he does all his stunting and donuts in this little area right here, and pulls up to you and says, man, listen, man. You know what I'm saying? You say you want to go half, so you got the other half. You got the back half of the car, and I got the front half of the car. You be like, bitch, we ain't discussed this. What the hell are you talking about? Hell no. Nene. Morty. Yebote. He's mad as hell. Oh my god. Is that a Lorado? Cheeki Breeki. Oh my god. Okay. It's safe to say that my Serbs are fucking crazy. I don't know if they crazier than Russians. I ain't never seen no Russian, not yet. Or like I said, I don't think I've seen anything yet, but I don't think I ever seen this ever in a day of my motherfucking life. Yo, they in a car driving down, look like some subway stairs, but it doesn't matter. They are driving a fucking vehicle, an automobile, down a long flight of steps. Not just, and they took the shot where you could see them going down the actual steps. That is crazy. Damn. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, that's Lorado, I think. The Soviet car. What the hell? Yevo said, ain't going nowhere. What is they doing? They that drunk? They drunk off that rakia. Oh! You know what I just realized? This video was this was an edited video. That's what this was. This was an edited video because I'm like, wait, what happened to the Hardbass music? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? Somebody by the name of Nicola Beach. Oh, Nicola Beach. OMG. That's how you actually say your last name? Nicola Beach. Nicola Beach. You know Nicola Beach? It sounds like you say, you know Nicola Beach. Nicola Beach. No, Nicola Beach. Nicola Beach. You could be like, Nicola's such a beach. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Yeah, but I love you guys. Hey, razbite do dugmi pristini dugmi za prepratu I uklushite za vamos a obavestenia. Ja sam srovno uživao da banda saragangarate sa bandom. Hey, dobro jutro I do bardan I dobro vechi, depending when you're watching this, do Virginia.